to create a Google business profile is very easy. You can go to business.google.com. If you have other businesses, you'll see them here. If not, it'll give you the option to create one, or you can add a business as well. Add a single business or import businesses. So we're gonna do add single business. It takes you here, you add the business name, you add the business category which you select, you start typing, and it gives you the options that you can select from. Then you click on next, you go through the options, you can select no if you want. In this case, yes. We're gonna enter the address, just give it a second. Once you enter that, click on next. Is this your businesses? So sometimes you might do this if it's in, as you can see, they're all different addresses. So for whatever reason, it'll do that. You can just select none of the above and click on next. Or if it's in a industrial park or a shopping center, it might tell you that as well. Deliveries or home and office visits. Okay, so this is like the surrounding areas that you do. So click on next. And here usually you can just do the whole city if you're local, or you do the whole. Basically, you can put any area that you actually service. You can put the whole country if you want. You can put multiple countries as well. You can also tell ChatGPT to give you surrounding areas, unless you know a good amount of cities surrounding your area, especially because there's towns, so it'd be hard to know all of the ones off the top of your head. So if you don't, you can just ask ChatGPT and it'll give you. It can give you 10, it can give you 20 results, it can give you as many as you want. So now we have entered all of those cities. You can do areas as well. You could do states. Phone number. We're going to do the phone number here. And the website, you can leave it empty if you don't have one. If it's currently being built, you can always add it later. So that's optional there. So these are some really cool options to get verified, actually. I didn't know this was an option. So let's see. Oh, cool. So I'm gonna do text message. And thankfully I can request another one. Let me see. So once you enter the code, it says it can take up to 5 days. They used to send a physical mail card. I don't know, but they keep changing. Actually, they keep changing the ways that they're getting verified very quickly too. So cool. Now we just have to wait that verification process, and you can still go through all the steps of customizing your profile. You should definitely add the services that you offer. That's very important. You should add as much information to your profile as you can. So you can add the services there. Click on next. Add the business hours here. You can also do 24 hours, and you can also add multiple hours. Let's say if you're open from 8 to 12 and then 2 to 5, you can add those breaks in between. Add your business description, super important. You should definitely add photos of your work. It says drag images here or select images. I know you can add videos as well. I don't know if it lets you add them here, but you can always add them later. And the edits, all the edits that you do will be visible once you're verified. Click continue. And like it said on the notice there, it should be about 5 days for you to get verified, which funny enough, it used to be 5 days for you to get the physical postcard. So I don't know, there's a similarity here for these 5 days, but it's through a phone verification now. So Let me know if you have any questions. Once it's been verified, you'll be able to start asking for reviews. It'll give you a review link, and you can also add photos and videos here.